Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to see how to perform stress testing on our EC2 instance and trigger and CloudWatch alarm attached to it. So basically first let us create a CloudWatch alarm to our EC2 instance. So right click on your instance, go to monitor and troubleshoot, go to manage CloudWatch alarms. So basically we are going to create an alarm to our EC2 instance, and we are going to manage a threshold. We are going to create a threshold, and we can take any of this category. We can say if our CPU utilization is greater than 50%, then we can trigger an SN notification to our email saying that the instance has been is having 50% CPU utilization. So we can get an email through SNS topic. So that's what we are going to do now. So now I'm going to create a CloudWatch alarm which is attached to our instance. This is our instance ID, EC2 instance ID. So basically I'm going to create an alarm, and now I'm going to set an Amazon SNS topic, which is simple notification service. So when our CPU hits 50% of CPU utilization, then an SNS topic will get triggered. We're going to say first EC2 SNS topic. So we have created an SNS topic. So we're going to take a threshold. We're going to say when our CPU utilization is greater than or equal to 50% for a consecutive period of 5 minutes. If then this CloudWatch alarm will get triggered. So that's only this is how we create an alarm. So let's now click on create. Okay. So you can see we have created a CloudWatch alarm. So now we are going to connect to our instance using this public IP address. In this terminal we are going to say SSH F9. we are going to give our set key file, and I'm going to give my EC2 user at public IP address. So I'm SSHing into my instance. Yeah, you can see I got connected to my instance. So basically now we have to instance a package called stress to perform stress testing on our instance. So to install stress package, we have to enable this EPEL. We have to install extra packages for enterprise Linux. So this is how you install. You have to say sudo Amazon Linux extras install EPEL. So why we are doing this? Because we have to install a extra package called stress to perform stress testing on our EC2 instance in order to trigger our CloudWatch alarm, where that CloudWatch alarm will be responsible to trigger that SNS topic. Okay, so I am installing this EPEL. After this EPEL, we have to install the stress package. We have to say sudo yum install stress. Okay, it is saying those have been installed. So now let's see the how to use stress. Yeah, you can do CPU stress testing by passing n number of workers. So before doing this, let us go to our SNS topic, and let us see if that SNS topic has been created or not. Yeah, we can see, yeah, this is which is attached to our CloudWatch alarm. So let's go into this. Okay, let's now subscribe to this SNS topic. You can click on create subscription. You can give email. as the protocol, and you can give your email. You can give your email address and click on create subscription. So before this, I think we have to confirm in our email. So this is how your email looks like. You have chosen to subscribe to the topic. So I think we are done with our subscription, and now pending confirmation. Click on this. Click on confirm subscription. Your subscription has been confirmed. Now go here and let us refresh this. It is confirmed, and you have subscribed to this SNS topic. So we are ready now to perform stress testing. So let us do one thing. We're going to say stress hyphen CPU. We are going to say 9 CPUs, 9 workers. So 9 workers will be on our CPU. So now you can monitor your CPU utilization over here. So once your CPU hits 50% utilization, this automatically terminates in the terminal as well. So you can unlatch. So this will take some time, maybe 2 minutes, couple of minutes, and then the changes will reflect. We have to wait for a couple of minutes. As you can see, after waiting for some time, the CPU utilization has changed. It has went a long way to 99%, I guess. Oops, I think I forgot to set something in the alarm. This is working. So basically this is the email which we are supposed to get. We have set the threshold, so it was greater than 50%. That's why we have got an email, since we are subscribed to that first EC2 SNS topic. So this is how you perform stress testing and trigger an email through SNS topics. Basically what you can do is you can maybe do something like this. You can edit the existing alarm, and you can say when you can enable alarm action. When this alarm has been triggered, you can stop the instance. So when the CPU utilization is 50%, you can trigger an alarm action and say that to stop the instance or terminate, whatever you require. So you can do this way also. Basically the instance gets stopped if you do that. So you have got the email also. This email we have got through SNS topic, which is being triggered by that CloudWatch alarm. So basically this video is just to show you how to perform stress testing on your EC2 instance, and how to add or how to attach a CloudWatch alarm to your EC2 instance, and how to add an SNS topic to it. You can subscribe to your SNS topic and you will start receiving emails like these. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video.
Help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause 'cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.